The Lahore High Court has recently issued the stay order reviewing the collection of fixed electricity charges by Lahore Electricity Supply Company following an appeal from 9 companies. Here's a detailed analysis of the situation. Background: 9 companies, including Flying Paper Mills, filed a petition challenging the implications of the fixed electricity charges by LESCO. They argued that these charges were levied without obtaining necessary approvals from the Cabinet and the National Electricity Power Regulatory Authority. Legal grounds for the stay: lack of approval. The petitioner contended that LESCO imposed fixed charges without uh, having approval from the relevant authority and is the violation of regulatory procedure. Accessible: one of the companies reported that it received a bill of 3.2 million without any electricity usage, with charges escalating to rupees 15.6 million in the following month. This raised concerns about the fairness and legality of the fixed charges for decision. Mohammad Raza Qureshi presided over the hearing and issued stay order reviewing the collection of these fixed charges pending further hearings. The court intervenes aim to ensure that the charges are legally justified and that the regulatory process is followed correctly. Implications: regulatory compulsion. The stay order underscores the importance of adhering regulatory approval and procedures. It highlighted the role of NAPRA and the cabinet in overseeing and approving such charges. Consumer protection. The decision protects the consumer for potentially unjust and excessive charges. Legal precedent: this decision can set a precedent for the other company and the consumer challenge similar charges if they believe in regulatory procedures were not being followed. The Lahore High Court stay order on the collection of fixed electricity charges by LESCO emphasizes need for regulatory compliance and the consumer protection. The outcome of this case will likely to influence future regulatory practices and the implications of utility charges in Pakistan.